We are here at the IIGCE in Jakarta, and I'm here together with Sylvain Brogle from Exergy, an ORC supplier. Sylvain, great to have you here and speak to you.
Yeah.
Really good. I mean, Indonesia is super exciting. So what makes you come to Indonesia?
Look, Alex, it's always a pleasure to talk to you, number one. And number two, is very pleased to be in Indonesia. Indonesia is for us a long-term program that we have initiated something like 10, 12 years ago. So we were sponsor, we do have booths, and we have the privilege this year. As you see, we have our mother company, Tika, from China, together with our Exergy backup here, the complete team at the disposal of the Indonesian market.
And in the context of Indonesia, of course, there's been a lot of development. It's a relatively high temperature resource. How do you see ORC fitting into this market and what you have to offer?
I think the evolution you see on the subsurface technology will bring a democratization of the ORC. So we can talk about high enthalpy, lower enthalpy, and using the ORC. And we have a range of machine from 1 megawatt to 50 megawatt. We are launching now the new 50 megawatt ORC turbine. So the market here in Indonesia, we allow us to play in this field very easily, from the small size, maybe adapted to a direct use in terms of drying, in terms of desalination of water, for example, and then move to the big size of a 50 megawatt, which is easily possible with the resources they have in Indonesia. And moreover, Alex, you have to know that our technology with the radial ORC is the unique in the ORC technology. And this makes the force of our products.
So you see the opportunity of, let's say, a development that starts maybe a bit smaller, but would be able to then scale up. Is that where you see an opportunity for you? Or?
That's an opportunity. Why, a smaller plant might be faster than a big plant in terms of raising the finance or getting the different approval for the acceptance. So yes, smaller plant with a direct use will be maybe more easier for us, and then jump into middle size and big size. We have already plant. I just come back from the Philippines. We have plant installed in the Philippines. We are here talking to PGA, to Pertamina, to other potential supplier that will show interest in our technology from the small to the large size.
And in terms of technology, I mean, ORC has evolved a little bit. You mentioned the radial outflow, inflow turbine. Kind of where do you see technology going with ORC in that context, and how does it make you different?
You see, we are Alex, we are investing 5% of our turnover in innovation. And this is why we have reached this technology on the radial system. But also, we are developing the AI application. And this will allow us to go faster and with the aim of getting cheaper. What the client is looking for today is to go faster, cheaper, and cleaner in terms of the ORC. And this is our leitmotif that our teams are developing for the future.
And in terms of outlook for ORC in general, or in Indonesia in particular, where do you see the market going here in Southeast Asia?
Oh, we have seen this presentation this morning where they are announcing tremendous high figures of developing in geothermal. And I think in the Asian market, the geothermal is the solution for the decarbonization. And our technology with this wide range of power plants that we can offer, of course, is an advantage for the client. And the biggest advantage we have is that we have a task force with a Marshall Plan in commercial action for the region that is unique. We never have done this, and this will allow us to have a great future and a great vision to help the country of the region to assist them in the energy transition.
Because they need clean power, right?
They need definitely clean power. They have to get out from the fossil, they have to get out from the coal, and we are the solution.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Sylvain.
Thank you, Alex.
Good to meet you.
Pleasure meeting you always.
Okay. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thanks.